so be outside. I'm playing. Let me do a 360 so I can show y'all my hair, because literally my hair came out wonderful. Boy, I'm tired. I'm like sweating crazy. At Rex right now. Again, one of my favorite spots. I really don't have the clothes now, but it's hard getting some bitches close to here. So literally about to need to charge these batteries probably on these GoPros. My GoPros are dead. So I'm gonna go inside, plug my batteries in for the GoPro, and then come outside and go get the shot. Alright? What's up, y'all? So today we want to go to the Drunken Crab. If y'all didn't see the experience online, this is what it is. Alright, let's get it. Yeah. The doors are not open. Nobody's here. I don't think it's open. Literally, like, if you walk through here, it's like a lot of stuff broken. Like, throws out, with the signs on the ground. We got Marge, Peter, and Christian sitting here. I really want to take this Peter song with me home for real, for real. Peter. Gonna be hard. I don't know, that's like stealing. But they didn't email us, they didn't tell us anything that the thing was gonna be closed or send any information out. They just took the money and kept going. Like, definitely. And honestly, this really don't even look like what it looks like on TikTok or the internet. It's low-key way smaller. And even if you try to go on the inside, everything's closed. It's wild. So I was really excited about this. Okay. For real, but we literally drove like 45 minutes to an hour to get here. Like, no, we drove like an hour and 30 minutes to get here. There's no Drunken Crab. Nobody's here. And I don't even know what to do, for real. We got freaking, asking him what to do. So what you think we should do? Take you home with me? You would like that, huh? I don't know, y'all. We're really sad though, because it's like I was really looking forward to this today, and now we can't even do it. Oh, man. It's like low-key a ripoff.
It is, and I'm honestly pissed.
You should just take one of the signs. That'd be hilarious.
I low-key want to. Shit, and get my money back.
It's like a whole...
Is it? Oh my god, they even have shirts.
See what they got in the... I'm gonna see what they got in the trash. What the heck? Stuff inside the trash can. Dang. Oh, what the hell? I blame Meg. That's crazy. Oh man, that's crazy. I really don't know what to do. That's crazy. And that's it. So I guess it's time to go home, man. I don't really know what they're gonna do, or if they're gonna reschedule. But it was really unfortunate. Because it honestly was a big old waste of time. But shoot, since we're here, I will just chill and relax and enjoy the scenery. Shoot, I'm gonna take my shoes off. For real, because it's hot out here. It's so